Hi friend, welcome to Asian Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a mosquito killer lamp. In most of the cases we use different type of uh, fluid or mat to avoid mosquito, but those smokes are not good for our health. So let's make a mosquito killer lamp which will be operated with high voltage, and the mosquito or the insect will be attracted by ultraviolet light. So first of all I have made two base. Use few number of cycle spokes, bicycle spokes, and I have cut into 130 mm of length and 24 numbers. So first of all I have to install one by one in the base part to make a cylindrical design as shown in the video. We have to connect alternative currents, means one will be connected with the positive terminal, next will be connected with the negative terminal, and so on, and all those are connected in this manner. The inner base part will be required to pass the ultraviolet light through this translucent pipe, and it will glow with ultraviolet light. The inner part will attract the mosquito or the insect, and the outer part will provide high voltage. So I will provide about 1000 volt maximum. So first of all I have to test it. So friend, you can see I have connected with a mosquito killer bat circuit. This type of circuit is available in market with only 50 to 60 rupees. So I have installed it. Before connecting it with the grid I have to check it, the high voltage is working or not. So friend, you can see it is working without any issue. So now I will connect it. So I have connected it with high voltage connections, and friend, you can see it is working without any issue. Now friend, the build part is almost completed, but the top part is not looking good. So I have to modify it so that it looks better. I have provided ultraviolet light in both sides. One is from the bottom part, another 3 to 4 number of ultraviolet will be installed in the top part. After completing all the build part, it will look like this. A power button is provided for the ultraviolet light. So friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press like button. Thank you.